Nananom de nhyehyɛe a ɛfa efie ɔha afidida a wɔde kae Centenary Agyeman Prempeh wɔde kan aba awieye. Ɔbra wɔde ɔsom hyehyɛ so wɔ St. Prince Anglican Asɔredan wɔ Kumasi ha. Akyikyiri pii de wɔn animuonyam bɛtaa dwumadie no akyi. Centenary a ɔpemso na ase etu abebio ne yiri Lady Julius Etutu. Ɔmampanyin a ɔwɔ Seychelles, His Excellency Wavel Ramakalawan, First Lady Emma Seychelles, Her Excellency Linda Ramakalawan. Ɔmampanyin Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo nso de animuonyam bɛtaa akyire ne akyikyiri pii na ba dwumadi ase. Sɛdeɛ nananom de nhyehyɛe gu akwan no, wɔyɛ yɛtwerɛ wɔ Otumfo Osetu the Second Jubilee Hall. Yɛtwerɛ sɛdeɛ yɛbɛfa a Otumfo Prempeh the First efiri Asantemam de kɔɔ Seychelles san so de ne baeɛ. Wɔsan brodwa kɛseɛ de yɛn kaedom de ma Asantehene a ɔtɔ so di mmiɛnsa Otumfo Agyeman Prempeh a wɔdi kan. Wɔ dwumadi ase no, akyikyiri a wɔn nso de wɔn animuonyam bɛtaa akyire Asantehene Nana Amako ne de ɔtɔ so mmiɛnsa former President John Achekum Kufuor ne akyikyiri ne ani ti pii.
It has been historic.
We will now invite the President of Seychelles, His Excellency Wavel Ramakalawan. His Excellency Wavel Ramakalawan is here with the wife, the First Lady of Seychelles, Her Excellency Mrs. Linda Ramakalawan. We're also here with us, and Miss Isha Esperon, together with Mr. Kwame Appiah agency. Well, he was so much instrumental in coordinating. In coordinating responses to national emergencies. Present to the kids, looted by the British. They are finding their way home. The true son of the kingdom, the true son of Ghana. We continue to give gratitude in Kumasi somewhere this year. Someone, true son of Ghana, distinguished personality, a former commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, who still have the capacity to arrest anybody who will give us any loud gunshots.
100 to Seychelles. I need to remind you that of February, with a symposium at the Great Hall, the Kwame University of Science and Technology, and that was followed by another Kutukuni Deba on the 8th of February 2024, and on 24th of April, we had the Ahuho Deba, which celebrated ethnic groups residing in Centenary. On the 25th of April, in the evening, we had fireworks at multiple locations, including the Cultural Center, Heroes Park, Machia, Tafo, Jubilee Park, Abuabo, and Adum. On the 26th of April, we had a non-denominational Thanksgiving service here at Prempeh, which indeed led us to May 2024. On the 1st of May, the Asante Regalia Homecoming here at the Machia Palace. We launched the 2-4 commemorative stamp here at Machia on the 4th of May. The birthday of the king was on the seas.
I would say this will go a long way to be in our memories drive as one of the best days of our lives. We want to say a very big thank you to everyone who made it a point to be here, whether you came near or far, Asante Mai Edamasi Bebre.
Pack TV. Koso asa subscribe to your social media handles. Say Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pack TV GH.